Hey, what's up YouTube? It's goobudalow here. Well, first of all, why am I wearing a beanie and it's not even like, it's like 78 degrees outside? Why am I wearing a army shirt? I'm not in the army. Why is my shirt ripped? No questions, okay? Anyways, so, okay, for this video, I'm not gonna put a title, and you've already noticed that because it just has a dot right there. So anyways, I'm gonna talk about school. Wait, whoa, hold up. You literally just talked about school, like, actually 2 days ago. I posted Saturday because there was technical issues on Friday. So yeah. But anyways, you're like, I just posted school like 2 days ago. I don't want to hear about school on Monday. That's retarded. Well, hold up. Let me, before okay. Are you listening to me? You're listening to me? Okay, you're listening to me. So I'm gonna talk about math because everyone does math, right? Now I get it. Math is important. You need to know 1 + 1 is 2. So when you go to buy a McChicken, you know to bring $1.09 because tax in America, or at least in California, or at least in the Bay Area, or at least in Milpitas, or at least where I live, is like 8% or something like that. So it's like $1.09 for a McChicken at McDonald's. And if you want to know that you need to bring exactly $1 and a nickel and 4 pennies, you need to know math. So good thing that you know math, right? But then it gets to dumb things in math. That is like, sorry, my allergies are like, I can't do this, like, allergies are not doing good right now. Now, I'm like good at math, but like the thing is, I'm good at solving it in my head. So let's say like we lived in a world where like there was no theory of relativity because Albert Einstein was never born. I bet I could go to like Cambridge or Princeton or whatever and then be like, first of all, okay, I did this tie. It's a real tie, not clip-on. So if you guys want to hate, listen, I did this myself. Yes. Go me. So I could go to like Princeton or something and be like, let me tell you a theory that I've come up with called the theory of relativity. I got it, guys. I got it. It's E equals mc squared. That's the theory. Of relativity. I figured it out, guys. I figured it out. Then there would be someone that'd be like, well, just out of curiosity, can you show me the work for 1 + 1 = 2? Prove 1 + 1 = 2? Well, that's easy. 1, 1, 2. Okay. Next question. Oh, you want me to actually like write it out? Like, what? Okay. 1, right? 1. Like that's 1. But and then oh my goodness. No. Um. 2. The answer is 2. That's how I solve my problems. Okay. Maybe I lied a little bit. Maybe just teeny. Well, anyways, my point was, when I do math, I can solve it, but I can't really show work, which is a problem, especially when you are in this class. Yeah. So people, for those who haven't taken geometry, you are either young or from a different country. And so let me explain to you what it's like to take geometry. So imagine you're at Disneyland, okay? So the timeline is like when you're doing geometry throughout the 2 semesters. So you're at Disneyland, then you get onto the Tower of Terror. So that means it's a fun, but it's like excitement, which is like a little bit of nervousness. So you're like, I mean, not really, but come on, just follow along. Okay, so you get onto the ride, and then while you're up there, the ride breaks down, the sun hits the earth, your parents die in a car accident, and the world breaks out with some disease, and now there's zombies flying everywhere, and you're stuck on the ride. That's kind of how geometry is. And that's the part where I'm stuck because I haven't finished the book yet. You have so much to look forward to. Anyways, but it's not over. See, now you're on the ride, and you think, okay, nothing could go worse. But then the dude taps you on the shoulder, and he's like, excuse me, I have a question. And you're like, what's the question? Well, you see, my name's Geometry, and I'm gonna ask you a couple questions, okay? So your parents are dead because your parents are dead. By which rule? Are you hearing this guy? My parents just died, and he's trying to tell me why my parents died by saying my parents died? Yeah, I'm sorry, that was the wrong answer. See, the real answer was actually the reflexive property. You know what? It's okay, we're learning here. See, now you know that when your parents die, that it equals your parents die by the reflexive property. Good job, though. I don't understand. That's kind of how geometry is. Why do I need to prove that A equals A? Like, who came up with this? Like, some genius was like, you know what, guys? I want to be called a mathematician, so I'm gonna make up a rule. I'm a human because I'm a human, and that's by the reflexive properties. What? That makes no sense to me, and that's exactly what geometry is. I mean, I'm sure there's like a little bit more to it, but that's the principle of geometry, aka stupidity and stating the obvious and waste of time, and you'll never use it in life. Okay, like I get it. If the teachers would tell you, here, I'm gonna teach you this, you're never gonna use it in life, but you have to learn it, so suck it up. They try to act as if this is something that you can use in real life. Like, if you measure your height, then you measure your shadow, then you can measure the height of the statue by just using its shadow. No. That's not how it works. First of all, there's so many different variables. Where the sun's position, the way that the statue is, and I mean, there's like different things. It doesn't work that way, okay? So don't waste my time saying that. If you can go ahead and say, listen, you'll never use this in life, so go ahead and do it. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. But if you try to act as if I'm gonna use this in real life, don't even bother trying to lie. It doesn't work. So I'll just shut up now. Goodbye.